Every chocolate bar begins its journey here, where cocoa beans arrive from farms around the world. Thousands of kilograms of cocoa beans arrive here every day. These humble beans contain the flavor that will become chocolate. Every bean shipment is tracked from origin to final product. The transformation from bean to chocolate begins now.
Ready? Coming over. Got it. Next one. Passing it down on the belt.
Chocolate production continues around the clock. Before chocolate production begins, every cocoa batch is inspected for quality. Moisture levels must be perfect to protect flavor. Precision measurement ensures consistency in every chocolate bar. Only the best beans pass inspection. Advanced technology guarantees food safety. With the beans prepared, the chocolate making process can begin. Machines are calibrated regularly to maintain precision. Cocoa butter adds the smooth texture chocolate is known for. With preparation complete, the chocolate making process truly begins. Inside the mixing hall, cocoa begins transforming into chocolate. Roasting unlocks the deep aroma of cocoa. Grinding transforms cocoa nibs into liquid chocolate. Additional ingredients shape each chocolate recipe. Massive mixers ensure every ingredient blends perfectly. The chocolate mixture is now ready for refinement. Small adjustments refine the chocolate's texture. The chocolate mixture is now ready for its final transformation. Now begins one of chocolate's most important steps, conching. Conching smooths the texture and enhances flavor. Extra cocoa butter helps create chocolate's velvety mouthfeel. During conching, unwanted acidity evaporates. Particles are refined until they are nearly microscopic. Tempering gives chocolate its snap, shine, and stability. Tempering aligns cocoa butter crystals for perfect texture. Proper crystal structure gives chocolate its glossy shine. Tempered chocolate is poured into molds. Some recipes include nuts or other ingredients. Cooling slowly solidifies the chocolate. The first finished chocolate bars emerge. Next, the chocolate must be tempered. Brand packaging protects the chocolate and shares its identity. Bars are grouped and packed for distribution. Barcode confirmed.
From factory to stores around the world.
From factories, chocolate travels to shops around the world. I'll take this one, please.
Sure thing. Coming right up.
Chocolate also inspires artisans and chefs.
After cooling, the finished chocolate bars move to packaging.
This chocolate cake is amazing!
The brownie is perfect.
I love the truffles! Chocolate brings people together.
Chocolate is loved across the globe.
Fresh handmade chocolates, best in the city.
They look amazing. I'll take a truffle, please.
One of those nut clusters, please.
From bean to bar, chocolate is a journey of craft and flavor. From bean to bar, chocolate is one of the world's sweetest journeys.
Thanks for joining our sweet journey. If you loved it, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite treat.